Welcome back to a new tutorial video of App Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple step on how to redeem Minecraft Java and Bedrock gift card. If you have the gift card edition of Java and Bedrock, and if you're trying to redeem this card, then make sure you keep watching this video because I'm exactly going to show you the steps that you need to follow. So if this video sounds helpful to you, make sure you keep watching it until the end. Firstly, you want to open up your web browser and search for minecraft.net. Once you search for minecraft.net, you'll also need to log into your account. So just tap on the three lines on the top left and tap on the login button right here, and then you'll need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you can again tap on the three lines on the top left and tap on the redeem option right here. So once you are logged in and tap on the redeem option, you can see this interface from where you can redeem a bunch of gift cards that Minecraft provides. So the Minecraft Java and Bedrock edition you should find on the top of this section. So as you can see, it says redeem Minecraft Java and Bedrock edition. From here you can just scroll down and then just enter in the code that is given on the back side of your card. So just type in the code and tap on submit, and your gift card of Java and Bedrock will be redeemed. Similarly, you can also activate or redeem other gift cards, as you can see if you scroll down below. So that was the quick process of redeeming Minecraft Java and Bedrock gift card edition. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.